2015 Heritage Weekend. What was meant to be a joyous moment for a young Northwest couple turned into a nightmare. Karabelo Seleka was out with his girlfriend when a man attacked them and raped his girlfriend in front of him.
While we were there, then came this guy. I don't know where he came from. Then he came and he used the stick to hit me on my head. Then I fell down. Then he used the rope to tie my hands. Then he tied my hands and he forced himself on Lesego. And after he was done, he went away. I told Lesego that we will go to police station and report the case. The following day, I was 14 years by then. I had no idea. I didn't know what to do. I was scared also. I was afraid. Then I said to her, let's go to police station tomorrow and open a case.
This was, however, not the end of his ordeal. Tragically, because of the sexual abuse, Lesego took her own life.
I went to school. When I got there, she was not there at her class. By the break time, then I saw her mother at the school. Her mother was there to tell the principal that Lesego was no more. Then the principal came and informed us, a student, or Lesego is no more. She took her life.
He was overcome with self-blame and grief, but a local NGO saved him. An organization that helped, Karabelo says, due to lack of funding, many victims aren't getting the help they need.
As Ambassadors for Change, our work is strongly on Pillar 2 of the NSP. And when we look at the work that is being done by other civil society organizations like Ambassadors for Change, we are ill-resourced. We don't have enough resources to do the work to the maximum capacity that we can. So if the government can be more involved, more hands-on, provide more social workers, places of safety, and you have places like Tutuzela, of which we have one in our area. If we can have them more Tutuzela centers or remote centers in other areas so that victims of abuse are able to be assisted.
Other non-profit organizations say that the upcoming second National GBVF Summit needs to address funding and resources to help those dealing with the survivors every day.
The summit like this, if it can improve maybe funding so that we can be able to reach out to the communities, because the communities we are saving are very far from town. They are from deep rural areas where abuse is being normalized, where abuse is their daily bread.
Summit like this, events like this are happening all the time. People are facilitating about GBV and F, but now the thing is, are we have an impact? Are we making an impact? We are only facilitating misusing finances of the government, but we don't see any impact happening in our communities. But today I'm saying the government, the Premier's office must give the relevant organizations that are against GBV and F the facilities.
The National GBVF Summit is expected to be held on the 1st and 2nd of November in Gauteng. Tebogo Phakedi, SABC News, Mahikeng.